On this project, click the More button on the left corner of the screen and select the company menu to create the company structure. As shown on the screen, you can see the template of the company structure of the Hi-Fi project. In the main section, the admins or people with full access to the project, while in the section branching from it, other people of the project will be entered. In most cases, two sub-teams are formed, the main project and the support team or operators. Depending on the specifics of the project, new teams such as data quality and data teams can be created. Newly invited people will automatically be included in the main department in the first phase, so you need to hold the mouse one and drag them to the appropriate department as shown on the screen. When creating a new department, go to the main departure and click on the plus sign, which is shown on the screen, and the naming window will appear. From now, let's create a department named Test as an example. People can be identified by their account and moved to the desired department. Also, departments can be merged or transferred a person to another department. After structuring the departments and the people who will work in that department, configure the access permission of each department. To do this, select CRM settings from the More option of the CRM section in the left corner of the screen. Then select the permission option and click the access permission to adjust the access settings. Let's click on Add Access Permission and select the project named Test, which was entered as an example. After selecting the department, adjust the access settings in the CRM role section. As an example, there are three types of options: operator, supervisor, and full access, which means that the access of the employees in the project named Test is specified. The CRM role section can also be customized depending on the specifics of the project. And if you want to add a role, click on the Add section, enter the name of the role, and you can adjust all the settings related to the permission, which are displayed on the screen. As an example, let's see a template of the access permissions of the operator, or the most commonly used permissions. As shown on the screen, there is a section for selecting the project, and when you click the plus sign, it will show you what settings need to be made at each stage of the project. If you notice, at all stages of the project, the permission setting of the operators is on the personal option, and this means the operators can only see their own dialing numbers. If we set the operator's permission setting to all, it means that the operators can see all the phone numbers, and this will cause many risks, such as attempting to the same person, multiple calls, duplication of surveys, etc. Operators do not need to enter, delete, or move phone numbers, so the permission setting related to these functions should be set to access denied. For those with full access, it should be set as fully accessible, or they can see all employees' information. Also, should give access to importing phone numbers, transferring, deleting, downloading records, and seeing the entire CRM.